It's amazing right here. I mean, this is just a bunch of bit of snow. God, man, dude, that's coming in. Look at this crap. Look at this crap, dude. Oh man, we're going like a blizzard. God, guys. Hey guys from YouTube, this is me, and this is a big old blizzard we're having. Oh, dude. God. Just one big blizzard. That's all I can say. God, man, it come right round up. This is awesome, dude. This is so awesome, dude. This is awesome. I mean, God. This came from Kentucky side, that's all I can tell you. This came from Kentucky. This should be a blizzard. I don't care, it's just one big blizzard. That's all I can say. You see how stupid skateboard was from having school when it's going to move in the coast, it's going to get hard. God, dude. Look at the freaking blizzard, dude. I think this is a blizzard. This is a blizzard. That's all I can say. This is a major blizzard. Dude. Oh, dude. That's one major blizzard. Hey. Don't you believe that get the blizzard?
No, I don't believe in snow.
You're stupid as... I swear, that is a blizzard. That's a blizzard.
Snow's a mess.
You want me to kick your butt right now?
Why?
You got me really. That's snow. I swear to you.
That's a vinyl beast.
A vinyl beast? Where's the vinyl beast?
Vinyl beast.
Oh, screw you. This is crazy.
The report of hazard was not available. In Middlesbrough, the temperature was 33 degrees and the dew point 31 degrees, producing a relative humidity of 90%. The wind chill was 26, the winds were gusting to 16. At the London Corben Airport, snow flurries were reported with a temperature of 37 degrees. The wind chill was 28. Winds were gusting to 24. In Somerset, the temperature was 36 degrees with a wind chill of 27.
Right there, you said snow up there. You said snow up there. Go ahead. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Top of Black Mountain, the temperature was 23 degrees.
You said that the snow up there, go get the freaking blizzard up there. I had walked out there in minutes.
With a temperature of 33. It was
I had gambled. Look at my freaking hair, dude. I swear to God, he is.
I need that antenna. I have a remote helicopter that had it broke the antenna on it.
I got one for guy. Hey guys, here's my buddy Sean.
Hey, how are you?
He is awesome, guys. Hey, you're gonna be on YouTube, buddy.
Hey, you know about the Jamaican mainland now? There's a bunch of crazy shit goes on there.
Alright guys, we're on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again.
Just can't wait to get on the road again.
Jack. Jesus, guys. Look out, Gar. Look at that bit that you're seeing out there. Back there, there's a bunch of snow.
Nobody can talk about the talk about the
This is a bridge review, that's all I can say. This is a bridge review, that's all I can say. Oh, look.
You know, I'm going to have to get a vasectomy after this. That's why I need all the exam, you know?
Never run her bridge warning. I'll wait a Monday morning. There that goes, good.
He got just a piece of shit, I know, man. Oh, shit.
I like it, I like it. Oh, son, yeah, turkey, good. I wish it was like this right now.
Oh my God, you better speak up for some reason. I'm a country, you country.
That is great.
Hey, do you want to know why I toilet paper? It's so bad. The toilet paper is so bad. It's pretty much John Wayne and it's
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, no man. It's broke by broke and they don't take shit off no one. You know about you know about that sort of thing? And holy shit, that's
Mango County, West Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Reed, and Wise counties in Virginia, and Cleveland County in Tennessee.
it's a weather scandal. There's a team on the call. You should have got that on film. I did my Jamaican accent. She just screwed over the seat. She's like, fuck this.
Oh man, I should have got that on film.
Told you.
I should have, oh, give me quit. Just quit.
Oh, damn, that's not good, man. Yeah, no, I was just telling the time now.
Sorry for you, 56. No, it's pretty crazy, boy. That was scary as heck, though, I swear it was.
Jake, look at that, man.
We're going
You know what
on.
the hell does this say?
That kind of on the way over and off.
No, when I just turned it off. Now I turned it back off. It is off right now. Turn it back on if you can. Damn it.
Jackson, where Elijah was? Staggered numerous snow showers, that's what I thought.
You know what?
What?
You want to know how it says seal in French? And I'm not shitting you here. The hell you say seal is fuck. P-H-O-Q-U-E. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that man's a big red fuck, you know.
Oh, dude. Yeah, that's just, the sun's out, but it's going back there.
You know what that means, man. That I do this the same time tomorrow.
Okay.
Although I wish Mother Nature would just take a fuck and get out of here.
Okay. Okay. That's just hey, we should go to the house, do some more jackass. Were you both grab wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that was hilarious as hell, dude.
Yeah, no, I'm on YouTube more than once now. Yeah, I did a Christmas play.
But
I
agree.
made a mistake. You want to know what happened?
I got my own YouTube channel.
Great, man.
It's called EAS with Justice.
But you want to know what happened at the Christmas play?
What's that?
I was supposed to be dressed up as an elf version of Elvis.
Alright, guys.
Wind flew off.
I'm Christopher and this is Sean. Y'all have a good day, now mine. And here's a video. Sorry we're going crazy on, but we was having a big old snow day, and we're glad we did. So see you guys and bye. My name is EAS Chris Justice, and here's some stuff for you, Stack.